If your sink overflow tube is blocked by debris, it can cause water to back up and drain slowly, which is super annoying and can lead to bigger plumbing headaches. So, here's the deal. First, grab a flashlight and a small mirror if you have one, so you can actually see inside that overflow hole. Then, get a thin, flexible wire or a pipe cleaner and gently poke around to loosen any gunk stuck inside. You can also try using a little bit of white vinegar or baking soda mixed with hot water to break down the grime. Pour it slowly into the overflow hole. If that does not work, a wet, dry vacuum might help suck out the blockage, but be careful not to damage anything. Another trick is to remove the drain stopper to get better access from underneath the sink. Sometimes you can reach the blockage easier that way. Just avoid using harsh chemical drain cleaners because they can mess up your pipes. Make sure to clean this area regularly to prevent buildup from happening again. If the problem keeps coming back, it might be time to call a plumber to check if there's a bigger issue. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a blocked sink overflow tube is ignoring it until the sink drains really slow or starts backing up. That just makes the problem worse. Another common issue is using corrosive chemicals to clear the blockage, which can damage your pipes and cost way more to fix later on. Lastly, many folks forget that regular cleaning and maintenance of the overflow tube can stop debris from piling up in the first place. Simple rinses with vinegar or hot water every few weeks go a long way. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle problems like blocked sink overflow tubes quickly and safely. Plus, it gives contractors an easy way to find real jobs from people who need their skills the most.